OneDrive. So if you use Microsoft OneDrive in a business setting, there is a new feature rolling out this month that could probably pose a significant security risk if you don't deal with it. So this Microsoft, like every week at the moment, Microsoft just seem to be doing amazing things. We had Copilot AI, we had Recall that we talked about the past couple of episodes. Windows 10 is obviously coming to end of life. 240 million PCs will stop receiving updates, which just seems insane. Microsoft have introduced a feature where OneDrive Sync client on Windows detects personal Microsoft accounts on business devices and prompts the user to sync their personal OneDrive files. So if a user accepts this prompt, their personal files begin syncing alongside their work files. So that means if you don't disable this, users can transfer business files into their personal OneDrive accounts without any logging or any oversight. Now, we had this where I used to work with Apple. So this, like, Microsoft are turning into Apple more and more. Okay. So iCloud, Apples are harder to manage in an organization than Windows devices because the endpoint management systems, the systems that an IT team can use to administer the security posture of a device. You know, Microsoft comes baked in. There's Microsoft Intune. It's a Microsoft tool that you can use to tweak every single little tiny setting on a Windows device. Apple used to have something that wasn't very good. Now Apple is mainly done using tools like Jamf. I think it's Jamf, but I heard it called Jamf the other day. Now, where I used to work, they used to have iCloud accounts and you'd sign in. They didn't have corporate Apple iCloud accounts. You'd sign in with your personal iCloud account. You'd have a personal iCloud drive and you could save documents to your personal iCloud drive, which is crazy. Many organizations do this because Macs are harder to manage. Microsoft was always great because the posture was tighter. This is a massive weakening of that posture. So now essentially, if someone wants to exfiltrate some data, it might be a pay slip. It could be some files to work on their home computer. They can just drag them over to their iCloud, personal iCloud drive. Obviously, this gets worse because when employees leave the company, anything in their personal account, they keep.